Hello. Today we'll make metric conversions. Metric conversions is the SI system of units that use powers of tens. If you notice this chart, the numbers increase or decrease just by spaces, decimal spaces, either to the left or either to the right. If I have to go from a high metric conversion to a low metric unit, I will increase my decimal spaces to the right. And if I have to go from anything lower to anything higher on the metric system, I will decrease my decimal spaces to the left. And it comes with this equation. Whatever unit is given to you, any number, goes on top, right over here. The same type of unit that you're given, if you're given kilograms here, you must cancel with kilograms here. And on top, you have the new unit that you're searching for. If you're looking for grams, it is grams. So let's do 4 examples. Let's see how this works. Question says, convert 214 meters into kilometers. Like we said, anything given goes here. I'm given 214 kilometers. Right over here. Oh, sorry, I'm given 214 meters. Sorry, right over here. I need to cancel with the same type of unit, which is meters and kilograms. And if I go to my chart over here, I'm going to the middle line. Okay, and then I will go up by 1, 2, 3 spaces from the middle line, which is in this case meters. I will go up to kilo, and if I go up to kilo, I will be decreasing my decimal spaces. Therefore, meters given to me 214, meters at the bottom, kilometers on top. Between kilos and the baseline, there are 3 spaces difference. Therefore, between the kilometers and the meter is bigger. And that keeps the 1. The meters keeps the 1,000 because there is more meters in 1 kilometer. Therefore, I have 214 times 1 divided by 1,000 gives me 0.214. I repeat, the kilo is larger than the meters over here. Therefore, the larger unit, the one that is above this chart, keeps the 1. The one that's below keeps the 1 with the zeros. Let's do another example. Let's flip this question over. I am given 214 kilometers to convert into meters. Same type of situation, same type of setup. Unit given, cancel the same unit type, and I go to the new unit. Let's set it up. I am given 214 kilometers. I'm going to cancel with kilometers and go meters on top because I'm going from kilos to meters. So from kilometers to meters. Out of the two, the kilometer is higher than the regular base unit. So the bigger one keeps the 1. And the smaller unit, based on this chart over here, the smaller unit keeps the 1 with the zeros. So kilo is higher, that keeps the 1. When I plug that in, I end up with 214 times 1,000 divided by 1. The answer is 214,000 meters. Let's do 2 more examples. Convert 214 kilometers into millimeters. I'm going into a 2-step process over here because I am going from kilos over here to milli at the bottom. I need to go from kilo to the base, from the base to milli. And I could see that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. To make the kilo into 1 and to make the milli into 1, I need to move my decimal by 6 spaces. Let's see how this is set up. I am given 214 kilometers, and I will go to my base unit, meters. Kilometers, kilometers, meters. Since kilometers is bigger, it's higher on the chart, that keeps the 1. This is lower on the chart, keeps the 1,000. Now I go from meters to millimeters. Therefore, meters here, 1 meter here, 1,000 millimeters here. Why 1,000? Because the millimeter is lower than the meter by 3 decimal spaces. We just saw that. 3 decimal spaces. I'm going from here to here, and it's 1, 2, 3 spaces in order to make this milli a 1. So since meter is higher, that keeps the 1. This is a lower unit. It keeps the 1 with all the zeros. When I plug that in, I end up with 214 times 1,000 times 1,000 divided by 1 times 1, which gives me this huge number, 214 million millimeters, or if I want this in scientific notations, it is 2.14 times 10 to the 8 millimeters. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, instead 9. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is to the 9th. Therefore, this will be a 9, not an 8. So to the 9th power. Let's make this change. This is 9. There we have it. Let's recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, my correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It was right the first time. Let's go back to 8. Okay, there we have it. 8 it is. One last question. Convert 214 millimeters into kilometers. I repeat, given, cancel with, go to. The setup is what's given is 214 millimeters. I divide by 1,000 because from millimeters to meters, the meter is higher. So the meter keeps the 1, the milli keeps the 1 with all the zeros. I'll go from meters into kilometers. Kilometers larger than meter itself, so kilo keeps the 1 and this keeps the 1,000. Let's see how it looks. 214 times 1 times 1 divided by 1,000 by 1,000, and it gives me 0.000214 kilometers. And if I do this in scientific notations, I'll move it 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, it becomes 2.14 times 10 to the negative 4 kilometers. I hope this helps you out.